Yes.
So part of part of the reason why you decided to go into this business
Mm-hmm.
is, of course, to make a profit, no? But
Yes.
are there other things that cost you to want
Sure.
to be in
Mm.
the restaurant business?
Um, Life changing. When we mature, you really have to discern what's really matters. What matters to you? Number one, happiness, health, uh, probably secondary wealth.
Yes.
So we will start from interest.
Mm.
What makes you happy? What makes you excited to wake up in the morning?
Mm.
And this is it. I'm excited to wake up, to plant flowers, to cook. I'm so excited when I can uh, make a food na that's perfect,
Yeah.
or somebody telling me, oh, it's so delicious. So that makes me happy.